Welcome to your data design tips and tricks. Today we're going to be looking at how to set default directories within ERDAS Imagine. First of all, let's see the current settings that we have on our preferences. We see that the default directory is set to this folder that is directly within the C drive, and the default directory, output default directory, is not yet defined. Now let's minimize the preference editor. Right click to open a raster image, or I can also use File, Open, Raster Layer. In this case, I prefer using the right click option, Raster Layer. In this case, at the moment, it takes me to this folder, but I want to be working inside the ERDAS Imagine folder. I navigate inside it, go to the data folder, Image Mosaic. This is where my input datasets are. Right. File types that I have at the moment inside that folder are TIFF file format. ERDAS Imagine allows you to open different types of files. If it's a TIFF file, I just click on TIFF and then it displays all the files that are of TIFF format. Since I'll be going in and out of this folder to load data from this folder, I need to set the default data folder so that every time I open, it automatically takes me to this folder. I click on this option, second from the right, that sets the default data directory. Opening the preferences shows this update in the settings. There it is, it has been updated. We have now, let's set the output directory. I'll minimize again the preference editor. Go navigate again to my output folder. In this case, I'm going to be saving my data inside this output folder. Once I'm inside the folder, I click on the default, on this icon, or the last icon from the right. Click on that icon. What this does is it sets the default output directory for me. There it is. It defines the default output directory. I can close the preference editor and click cancel on this window. Now let's see if the settings have been accepted. Right click again, open raster layer. Automatically takes me to where the data is. Right. But because I haven't defined the default file type, I'll still need to change the file type that I need to see. If you're not sure which file type you have, you can always ask it to view all the file-based raster formats. In this case, it shows you all the raster type files inside your folder. If I know the file type, I can just set it to TIFF, in this case, and then I see that file that was the visual mosaic file that was at end is now disappeared. Right. So it has taken me to the input dataset. I can click OK. So if I'm to do any process with this dataset, automatically the output is going to be saved inside this output folder. We'll be using these settings as you go in, as you proceed throughout the tips and tricks. Thank you for tuning in. Keep on tuning in for future updates and tips and tricks. Bye.